and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, it's a slightly different one for me. It's still a haul, but it's a slightly different type of haul than I would normally do. So I'm going to show you some items from a company called TIVISY. So these items have been very kindly gifted to me, but as always, all opinions will be totally honest and my own. So TIVISY are a company that specialise in, I would say, gifts. Or items for around the home, like home decor, things like that. They have kind of got their little unique touch on them though. They specialise in 3D wood carvings, which can light up, or you can get them without lights if you prefer. And yeah, they have some beautiful, beautiful items on the website. There's other things as well, like there's some lights, which I have picked up one of those today as well. They have some really cute, like little figures, things like that. And they've even got jewellery on there as well. So I picked up 3 items. All light up items, and yeah, they look really, really pretty. I have had a little sneak peek of them already, but obviously I'm going to show you them in their full glory in this video, with the light on, with the light off, so that you can see, you know, them working and everything. So jumping straight on into it, the first item that I picked up is this really cute little round kind of ball light. I've wanted one of these for ages, actually. I think these are really, really cute. I have seen them before elsewhere. But this one, it comes in, if I show you one here, you can see, it comes in different styles. So you've got one that has like little heart lights on it, one that has like kind of, I don't know, they're like splayed, just like a splayed flash, I suppose. And then this one has like fireworks on it, which is the one that I've got in here. So opening up the box, it looks like this inside. So it's all really beautifully protected and everything. So you haven't got to worry. You know, obviously with it in transit, some of these things are quite delicate. So you haven't got to worry about them being, you know, broken or anything like that. They are well packaged. So we have a USB plug on there. So obviously you are going to need a plug if you want to put it into, you know, a plug in the wall, or you can put it into a USB port or something like that, whichever you prefer. So this is how the item looks, or the little ball kind of orb light looks. And yeah, it does actually look quite nice. It's very lightweight. And we have like a wooden, this isn't actual wood, it's like a wooden effect base here, but it does look nice. And then obviously we have the silver ball on the top here. It is a fairly decent size, you know, compared to my head. You can see it is quite a nice size as well. So this is obviously how it looks with the light off. So we've just got kind of like a mirrored ball here, and then I'll show you with the light on as well. So just to show you, there's kind of like a little switch on the cable just here. So I'm going to just press that. Yeah, it's just one press. And then this is how it looks lit up. So let me try and dim my lights. So yeah, I've turned my lights off. So this is how it looks when it's lit up. So it is really pretty. It is really, really lovely, actually. Yeah, we've got kind of like mainly yellow lights, and there's some pink ones in there as well. But yeah, it gives this kind of like fireworks look about it. It's really cute. I can imagine, you know, when you're sat there chilling in the evening or something like that, and then you've got this light on, it's going to give like a really lovely ambience for you. It's going to be really quite cute. So yeah, there's that one. So that is the firework kind of orb light. What I'll do is I'll link all these in the description box below for you, so that you can check them out for yourself as well. And then the next item I have is this one in this box just here. So this is one of the 3D wood carvings that I spoke about earlier. So we open it up, and as before with the other light, it's very well packaged. So if you take this off here, so as you can see, this is what I picked up. So it's like a butterfly light. It's absolutely beautiful. I love butterflies, so this is right up my street. So as I say, you could get these with the light, without the light, whichever you prefer. There were different colour options in this particular light as well. I think in other kind of animal designs, there's different colour options as well. So yeah, this is how it looks, obviously with the light off. So it's very, very pretty. It's absolutely stunning. If I kind of get as close up as possible, you can see this is all kind of like individual wood pieces. They're all like, you know, cut out wood pieces in a 3D design, like inside the wings. And then obviously you've got the wing design layered over the top there as well. It is so, so pretty. With this, I'm going to put, there isn't actually a mount on the back here. So I'm actually going to get some command strips and put this kind of just above a shelf and have it like that kind of attached to the wall. But yeah, do with it whatever you want, really. You could lean it against something if you really want to, kind of lean it like that. But yeah, that's just my preference. That's what I'm going to do. So just like the light, it comes with a little USB plug as well. So we'll plug this one in and see what this one looks like in the dark. Right, okay. Well, it's not dark, but dimmed. You know what I mean? So, right, let's pop this one on. So, oh, that's really nice. So, yeah, it looks like this. So when the light's on, these little designs in the background just here, you can see they almost pop out of it. If you know what I mean, as they come forward with the light on. It's absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. As I said with like the ball light, in the evening with this on and the ball light as well for me, it's going to look so, so pretty and cozy in the evening in my living room. I think this is so, so pretty, really nice. And just like the ball, it's a really nice size as well. I wasn't sure what to expect with it size-wise, but it's actually a really decent size. So there we go. There's the butterfly 3D wood carving light as well. And then the very last item that I have is actually in quite a big box this time. This is kind of like a shelf type thing. I've seen similar ones to this on Etsy, but a lot more expensive. So this one, we open it up like this, and just like the little 3D wood carving, it's got polystyrene over the top there. It's quite hard to show you this on camera in the packaging because obviously it is a bit bigger. So taken out of the bubble wrap just here, we have this shelf just here. I think this is absolutely stunning, and as I say, I have seen similar ones before, and yeah, I thought, oh, I really like that. But this is a moon and stars shelf. I love moons and stars. I think they're really, really nice. So this is kind of like a slightly darker wood. So as you can see, it's not black, it's just a very dark brown wood here. And we've got these little shelves all the way down. So this one, I think when they make these, they have in mind to have like, you know, oils and crystals and things like that on them. But what I'm going to do is actually put it in here, well, over there. So you're not going to see it in the background. So it'll be for my pleasure, you know, when I'm in here. But yeah, and I'm going to put like, you know, little bits of makeup on here. But this lights up as well. So there's actually LED lights on the back here. There's also some wall fittings just here. So obviously when you put it on the wall and it lights up, you're going to see the light show through these little holes where the stars are, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. So we'll plug this one in and see what it looks like with the lights off as well. Okay, so it's quite hard to see actually just holding it up like this, because obviously the lights are on the back. So they're all coming out here, but you can't really see them through the stars when it's on camera. When it's on the wall, I think it's going to make, you know, a big difference, because you're going to kind of have the, if I put my hand there, you can see, whereas obviously if I take my hand away, you're not going to be able to see it so much. So when it's on the wall, and obviously the wall's behind it, you're going to see the stars kind of glowing in the back, which I think is so, so pretty. Really, really nice. I can't wait to get this on my wall. So yeah, if I kind of hold it up against the curtain just here, you can see the stars kind of, you know, as opposed to not on there. You can see the stars kind of lighting up just behind it here. Oh, this is so, so pretty. It's really nice quality as well. That's one thing I will say about all of these items, now I've kind of unboxed them all, is that they are, for the price as well, they are really, really nice quality. I think for all three of these items, they came to less than $100 for everything, which I think is really, really good. So yeah, as I say, you know, I will put all the links in the description box below for you. And I actually have a 15% off discount code as well. So I'll pop that down there for you as well. But yeah, I think these are absolutely stunning, stunning items. Really, really nice, you know, for decorating your home, to get that kind of cozy ambience, things like that. I think they're absolutely stunning. I really do. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!